Alright, let them have it. This one first, and we'll move on to the other one. Nice. Hold fire real quick. Man, there's some big ones.
Another one up in front.
Copy. Alright, let this one have it. Nice. Let's get this one right here below us. This little brown one. Nice. Hold fire. Hold. Alright, let's let these two right here have it.
That's miles off.
What's that?
The dot's straight on it, but it's nowhere near it.
Well, you gotta also think about we're moving, the pigs are moving, we're above.
Nice.
Hold fire real quick. Yeah, I mean, there's lots going into it right now just because we are in a helicopter above pigs. They're running. We're moving. Alright, fuck this one up.
Have a shot, Con, without you shooting so I can see where it goes.
Alright, let them have it. Nice.
I don't know where it's going.
There's coyote on our left hand side as well, where that white bucket is on the edge of the stream.
Copy. You want a coyote? Yeah, we'll get that coyote.
Yeah, he's literally behind that white bucket.
Copy. Y'all get the shot on him, let him have it.
Oh.
Nice. Alright, let him have it.
You going right, I'll go left.
Alright, hold fire.
Fucking hell.
They take some shooting, didn't they?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, they just soak them up. Alright, let this one have it. Nice. Hold fire. Yep. Get this one on the right. Let him have it. Hold fire.
I don't know where it's going.
You gotta remember the elevation as well.
Yeah, let him have it. Nice shot. Hold fire. Alright, y'all let this one have it. Easy, I'm gonna hold still for you. Nice. Alright, hold fire, I got one more. Done. Y'all are pretty good shots, I'd have to say. Alright, y'all let them have it. Nice shot. Put them down.
Go on, Les. Good shot.
Bet there's some coyotes hiding out here in this stuff. Fuck them up. Nice. Rolling. I'll let them have it. Nice.
Straight in the peanut.
Alright, put them down. Alright, y'all let them have it. Nice. Off today. Copy, we got one right below us somewhere. If y'all get the shot, let them have it.
Dead.
Damn.
Oh.
Now he's dead. Alright, y'all let him have it.
Go on, Con. Oh, there, no.
Where'd he go?
Underneath.
Copy. I also see a pig. Hold fire real quick. Like, I'll hide in this stump now. Alright, if y'all get the shot, let them have it. Alright, hold fire. I bet he's
dead.
perfect. So there's a coyote and there's a pig over here somewhere. There's let him have it. Nice. Hold fire. Hit her batter, let's get at her. I'll get you a little bit closer. Alright, let them have it.
Oh, great shot.
Alright, hold fire.
Another one out in front, 11 o'clock.
Yes, sir, I got him. Hold real quick. Now that he's holding still.
Ain't come out of that bush yet.
Alright, pop around in there.
I think we got him that time.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's kicking.
Yeah.
Dead now.
Nice. Alright, y'all get the shot? Let them have it. Nice. Alright, make some bacon.
The other group was out in front of us here somewhere.
Do you prefer us to shoot the youngsters first?
Yeah, because they'll usually follow the mom. Let them have it. Work your way from back forward. Y'all don't listen. Nice. Alright, hold fire. So get the little ones first, and then we'll get the mom last. Put the hammer down. We call those little ones bacon bits.
Oh, that one's head's like imploded. Nasty. That's how right now you got Mama.